Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, November 20th. We are looking at window traders market profile of the ES and the NQ. So the market up 40 points over the past 3 weeks, heading into a holiday week. We'll see if the grind continues, right? I wouldn't expect much energy out of the market. I don't want to get lulled to sleep, but I also don't want to get in my head that we can really get a tremendous amount of extension. So we might have to temper our expectations. I will be here today and tomorrow. Right now, trading in balance, in value, worst of our risk rewards in ES, NQ, even righty. Remember, righty had an inside day, okay? They had an inside day on Friday. They just had their wide POC. NQ, they didn't have anything to lean on. No afternoon pullback, no nothing. Neither did we. We talked about that. Now we have a wide overnight POC, 16 wide. We said if we open up inside of yesterday's range, you're going to get a lot of chop, and that's probably going to happen. Remember, it is a 4-day balance, okay? Wednesday's high is the top of it. Balance rules apply. Now, some people might use this as a 3-day balance, and if we take out Thursday's low, consider it down. Again, it's all subjective. It's an art, not a science. I have no problem if you do that, but I think with the market being so strong, I would give the bulls the benefit of the doubt and use Tuesday's low as my balance low, and then you have that huge gap. So again, that's your prerogative. As far as the game plan early, we're smack in the middle of where the overnight high and the overnight low is. But look where the overnight high, right? That's a really nice risk reward trade against both the overnight high to see if they front run it, Friday's high, and then again you have the balance high and the overnight high, which for now is our high for the month, and that's up at 41.25. So if you were to front run this, I'm not saying to take all that heat up to 42. That's a lot of heat. It's 9 points. But at least initially you can take a short against the overnight high and use Friday's high as your out. Okay? As far as a long, same thing. We have a poor low here. Look at this. 3 time frames. We traded down here at the 45.20 level. Again, you could use that as a long out below it, because then your next destination would be Friday's low. Now, Friday's low is not the important one to me, though, so I don't think they'll defend it as much, right? To me, it's Tuesday's low. To some people, it'll be Thursday's low. All early plays, again, in the room, you're getting this up to the date because we're live for almost 6.5 hours. And then, chart-wise, for now, let's just deal with the 4-day balance. Okay, that's it. 3 or 4-day balance, whatever you want to call it. I would suggest using the 4-day balance, because some people might get a little bit too bearish if we take out Thursday's low, and then if we stop at Tuesday's low, lose sight of what the market's really been trying to do, and I don't want to see people get caught short at Tuesday's low. So I'm going to use it as a 4-day balance, and we'll see which way we attempt to come out. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.